Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to insert table in Microsoft Word for Windows. Let's get started. At first we have to open up Word document. Then we create a table, go to the insert menu and select the table option and create a table. Then we move the table in down. Now we can see we create a table very easily. Now we write anything in this table. This process is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.